fights with the mother duck can't win.
Yeah, we had a fight with a mother duck between a seagull, and she's flapping her wings now.
She won.
And right now we're on a boat again. This time it's a big sailboat. That's our captain. I don't know where's our captain.
The one in green is our captain.
Okay, the guy in green is our captain.
Huh? So if you want to book this
fun. Alright folks, we're going to start setting sail, so if you guys want to help volunteer, jump on down to the main.
Come on down.
Come on, Danny. Go on. Want to help? Go help. Go help.
Alright. Alright.
Phone away in your pocket.
We're going to set sail. If anyone wants to come on down and help us out, it's a great part of the experience. Alright.
Right now we're going to unfold the sail or something.
Great, you want to get on the peak?
Alright, if you guys want to cross over to that side, maybe you can just work this right over there. Alright guys, everyone take a step back, alright? I want you to be a little bit further back so you're away from this tackle. Alright? Alright guys, give me a little bit of slack here.
Easy, strap the boat. Stand over here.
Alright. Now pass that slack back. Okay. Just watch your hands. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you some commands. First most important thing is what line are we on? We are on the peak halyard. The peak brings up that end of the sail right out there. So when we hear commands, they have to be commands for the peak halyard. They say, hold the throat. We're not going to do anything, alright? We're going to keep doing what we're doing. So the first command you're going to hear from me is going to be haul away. Hand over hand, we're going to start bringing that sail up. Keep your feet planted because this line is a lot longer than the end of this deck. So you're going to be in the water if you start moving back, alright? Next command I'm going to give you, we're going to be towards that tippy top. And I'm going to say 2, 6, and you're going to say heave. When you say heave, give a big pull back, and we're all pulling together, all right? The louder you say heave, the harder you will pull, so if I don't hear you, you're not pulling, okay? Next thing I'm going to say, hold the line. We are holding the sail up, so it's very important that you guys don't drop that line, that you're actually holding onto it with me, okay? Next thing I'm going to say, walk towards me. You guys are going to walk me enough slack that I can get it off to the pin. And then I'm going to say the hardest command of them all, drop the line. Someone always messes it up. Probably going to be you, sir, right? So throw your hands in the air so that the person next to you who wasn't paying attention also drops that line. It's really important that nobody gets caught up in that, all right? So let's let the captain know that we are ready on the peak as loud as we can so he knows how hard we will pull. On 3. Ready on the peak. 1, 2, 3.
Ready on the peak!
All right.
Haul away. Here we go.
Guys.
Start pulling.
Get that slack up in the back. Manitou, hold.
Hold, hold.
Hold.
Can you, I think you're taller, you might be able to get to it. Thank you.
On the halyards, haul away.
Haul away.
Haul away. Are they pulling behind us, Grace, or just standing there?
I can't tell.
They're pulling. I could see them.
Well, not that hard.
I could see the front guy going.
Okay, on the throat, some big ones now. Ready, 2, 6.
Hold the peak.
Oh, all right, guys. So when I say 2, 6, you guys say heave. You can pull with all our might, okay? Ready, 2, 6. Heave. There we go. 2, 6. Heave. That's well. Haul away, peak. That's well. Hold that line, guys. Lean back into it.
Come on, guys, keep pulling. All right, let's get some big ones in. 2, 6.
Heave.
All right, 2, 6. Heave. 2, 6. Heave. 2,
That's
6.
well.
That's well.
Hold the
Drop that
line.
line.
Drop the line, guys. Drop the line. Let it go. Nicely done, guys. Throw halyards fast.
Alright guys. Alright guys, walk towards me. Walk towards me. Here we go. Keep coming, keep coming.
All right, I got it. Go ahead and drop the line. Drop the line. Drop the line. Yep, there we go.
All right, guys.
All right.
Behind
you. Okay. If I could have you guys hop over onto that cooler, I need to deal with this cleat right here. Thank you.
All right, so I need 2 more volunteers.
All right, guys. That was the first sale period. 2 more volunteers right over here by me. 2 more. Are you a volunteer? Got 1 volunteer, 1 more person, please. All right.
Sam, you want to get this headset set up? Yeah, I think. Is that server time? Is it? What's the same way as the server time? Sounds like a plan. Crazy man McGinnis back there, you never know. Throw us a good whooper and switch tacks.
How fast are we moving?
Right now?
Yeah.
I'd probably need a half a knot. We're not sailing yet. Got that engine on.
I'm just curious.
Yep. We got a nose up into the wind right now, so we're taking the wind down the front of the boat.
So are they up?
One of them's up. Yep. We've got 5 more to go.
Yeah.
Ready on the peak.
Ready, peak.
Ready on the boat.
Ready, throw. On your halyards, haul away.
All the way.
This one's a little bit lighter than our main. Our mainsail back there weighs 1,500 pounds.
Really? Wow.
We just raised up. Easy on your peak.
So this sail here weighs more than this sail?
Yes. Hold your peak.
Hold your peak.
Easy on your peak.
Easy on your peak.
This one's called the foresail. This one's a little bit smaller and lighter.
What color? How tall up there?
Oh, they'll go up about 50 feet. Hold your peak. One more little one. That's well. All the way on your peak, please.
As hard as you can. Alright, guys. Let's get in some big ones. 2, 6. Didn't hear you. 2, 6. 2, 6.
One more.
2, 6.
That's well.
One towards him.
You guys are sitting back over there. You're just going to have to look over the sheet. We're going to be dealing with this week.
Or can I sit here?
Actually, that's the cooler that's full of the beer.
We don't need that.
So,
I'll
we'll have you hopping up and down, let me tell you.
I'll serve the beer.
Got ourselves an axe there. What's the axe for, may I ask?
Centerboard. Just safety. It's a fire axe.
Okay.
I got a grip. You know, if we had any sort of fire or anything like that, or we got a big piece of rigging that we had to chop in half real fast, like.
Okay.
Safety.
Are
Any
there
crew members that get out of line, you know.
okay? Are there like pops in the cooler?
Yeah, we've got soda pops and bottles of water and stuff. We'll get into that after all the sails are set.
Okay. Got ourselves a bathroom there. Kathy? He's over there in green.
Off here, no show.
Someone's in the crow.
So he doesn't drop something on us.
Someone's on the crow's nest.
Yeah, he just climbed up. And you gotta come down. We should know better.
It takes a woman.
This looks like the inside of the ship.
Thousands of, hundreds of thousands.
Cruise quarters, I guess.
Yes, we gotta go up there all the time. Today's Grace's day. We switch off. It's a lot of fun. Oh yeah. Looks like it. Yeah.
He's been doing it for 2 days.
We got a sign. We got a plaque. There's signs here that says "Go down backwards." Same thing with this little opening. Go down backwards.
So all the same color?
Yeah.
Everyone's going downstairs or something?
Yeah, check it out.
All right.
All right, guys, give yourselves a round of applause. Yeah. Woo! We're sailing. And most of us are in the shade, so it feels pretty good. We've got one more sail to set. Grace is up there unfurling that, so we'll set that momentarily. I'm sure she probably told you on the dock, my name is Caleb. I'm also the second mate aboard Schooner Manitou, and today I happen to be the bartender as well. So if you guys are thirsty, you can come see me. We've got soft drinks, things like Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, lemonade, bottled water, all for $1. We also have beer and wine, local, 2 local brews.